Are you struggling with training across multiple locations? Meet Aurora Medical Spa, expanding rapidly with 7 locations and over 80 team members. Their challenge: keeping staff updated with constantly changing information. I couldn't train our teams in time, which is critical in our industry. Jessica Bradshaw, Recruitment Manager. That's changed with Whale. Now, employees find information in just 3 seconds. This has drastically improved their job satisfaction. Whale is pivotal to Aurora's success, especially as they open 2 new locations annually. What sets Whale apart? Its ease of use and exceptional support. Jessica says the features, like quizzes and checklists, enhance daily operations. Everything is so easy to use. Whale is adopted company-wide. In the fast-paced medical aesthetics industry, Whale is a game changer. It streamlines training, reduces costs, and standardizes customer service. Join Aurora Medical Spa and elevate your training processes with Whale. Start your journey to operational excellence today.